Hi, today we're making the easiest fridge magnet. The first thing you need is of course a magnet and a steel lid. Place the lid on top and draw the outline. I'm using my round brush to mix the colors. Since I don't have lavender color in my palette, I mixed red and blue colors. Now, using the small brush, draw lines for the stem. Let's paint lavender flowers. For the leaves, I used dark green color. Now cut the circle. And place it on the inner side of the lid. For this project, you don't even need glue. Just place the magnet on the back side and it's done. For the second project, I made a paper flower. Just glue the magnet on the back side and you have your fridge magnet. Thanks so much for watching.